Hello and welcome to Computer Basics 2, the use of menus. Menus, there are a few different types of menus. The ones that we'll be going over today, in this lesson anyway, is the menu bar. Okay, so in order to bring up a menu bar, you left mouse click on what they call the start button, go to all programs, go up, you're down to find the word games, left mouse click. These are all the games that you have on there. And left mouse click on the word solitaire and it'll bring up the game for you. Okay, we're not gonna, you can actually play this, but we're here because this is a window and then these are your menus. So you're gonna go up to game, left mouse click to start a new game, to have them give you a hint, to undo if you have gone already and you want to step back a step, you can left mouse click on that. Your statistics across many games, your options to change appearance, and your exit. And then if you move your mouse over to the right hand side, there's another menu. These are called the menu bar because it's a bar that has menus on it. Okay, there's a couple other ones as well. You can actually do selection by a ribbon that we'll get into when we touch on Microsoft Word. That's a different type of menu. And you can, and again, using going through Notepad, you can actually, in WordPad, you can actually use icons that have a little tiny arrow on the bottom of them to actually bring up a menu, to activate a menu. Okay, and the other one is you can actually right mouse click on a screen and it'll give you a menu as well. Okay, so that's the bare basics of a menu. In order to resize the menu, you can actually take the mouse, see down here how it changes. Left mouse click, bring it up to your left and it'll move. Let it go and it'll stay there. Again, go to the corners, left mouse click and move to your right and it'll get bigger. You can actually have it grow this way by left mouse clicking, moving it up, and that'll make it bigger. Left mouse click, bring it down, and it'll make it smaller. You could also use these buttons up here. This one will actually minimize it down to your toolbar, and then you have to left mouse click and bring it back. This one in the middle is a maximize minimize. At the moment it's minimized. If you click it, it'll make it maximize to the full, captures the full screen. Then you click it again and it actually returns back to where it was. It's also called a toggle button, which means that it goes between two settings. The other button up here is an X. The X means to close. So whenever you see an X, that means it actually, to close that program, you can left mouse click on it, which is what we're going to do now. If you haven't saved anything, a lot of times it'll actually prompt you to, do you want to save this? And depending on what you've done in it is up to you whether you save it or not. And in this case, I'm not going to save it. That's the basics of how to use Windows.